I'll put it. Wait, you put that one.
Ah, wow. The first thing.
No, don't you do the parenthesis thing?
Yes.
Oh, I know this.
Is this on the
Oh, yeah.
This is on the final. It's on the review also. Yeah, that's what I'm showing to you. So, first we got to pick out the common denominator. What's the common denominator here?
X squared.
Yeah, it's x squared, and we'll multiply everything by x squared. The idea is that we want to get rid of the fractions. If we multiplied it by x cubed, we would still get rid of the fractions, but that's just too much. Like we'll have leftover stuff. If we just multiplied by x, then watch. So this is not part of the problem. If I had just x and a 5x plus 10, my goal was to get rid of the fractions. So if I try to reduce here, I would subtract, right? 1 minus 2. What would happen? I would get an x in the bottom, right? Do you guys understand that? I'm just dividing. When I divide, I subtract the exponents. 2 minus 1 is 1, but it would be in the bottom because the x squared is bigger. And then the fraction wouldn't be gone because I still have an x in the bottom. The idea is to get rid of the fractions. So I multiply by the biggest amount that I have. So here, the x's cancel. Right? Or the x squared. Here, the x squareds cancel. Here, we subtract exponents. X squared divided by x is just x, right? So we got x, and then, yeah, just 1x, or just x. We can just say 1x. And then here, we just have 1 left over. If there was anything left over in the top, we multiply it to the rest. And then the plus, and then nothing left over here except for the 5x plus 10. What do you think we do now? Combine like terms. You're right. What are the like terms then? Yeah, you can only have like terms that are on the same side of the equation. So we have 10 and 1, so we'd have 5x plus 11 equals 1x. Now what? You could subtract the 1x over and then subtract the 11 over. But my goal is to just get the letters to one side, numbers to the other. Yeah, since the 11 is already on the left side, I'm going to move the 5x by subtracting over to the right side. Now I only had to move one thing over. Now they're on opposite sides. So I have 11 equals negative 4x. Divide by negative 4. X equals negative 11 over 4. Wow. That was good. All right. What do you think the common denominator is here?
6x.
Success. 6x. It's 6x. It was like 6x sounds like success. It's a joke. What's that? Here's the thing. Somebody's saying like, what about the 3? Like, that won't cancel out. It will cancel out. It's like we're trying to multiply by the most. 6 is divisible by 3, right? So the 3 is going to go away anyway. And you'll see that. If you multiply by 3x, then these 6's won't go away. Because 3 divided by 6 is 1/2. 6 divided by 3 is just 2. It stays on the top. So, what we are going to do is multiply everything by 6x. Success. And cancel out. Ooh, not cancel out. This one, we just have to reduce or just divide. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Yeah?
Yes.
So, for this, we get 1. For this, we get 2x. Do we understand that? 6 divided by 3 is 2. The x doesn't cancel, so the x stays. 2 times 1 is 2. Right? 6 divided by 3, that's 2. The x stays. 2x times 1 is just 2x. And then that cancels equals 5. This one's an easy one.
Okay, and then you do minus 1, 5.
Yeah, minus 1. You could do minus 5. You want to see subtracting? Okay.
No.
We'll subtract 1 from both sides. 2x equals 4 divided by 2.
And then x equals
That should be a fraction.
Yes,
I know.
because it was the first time.
Oh.
It's so large.
Hello there.
All right, we're done with that.